Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix if while data is slow on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check your network. After check your network, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, remove SIM tray, cleaning. After cleaning, again insert SIM tray. So you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.